So far in this series, we've learned how to add, view, delete, and update names in our database. In this video, we're adding something really cool, a search feature. We'll allow users to type a keyword and see matching names instantly. We start by creating a function that searches for names in the database using the SQLite operator. This lets us find partial matches, so users don't have to type the full name. Then we set the app title to search name just to keep things clear and organized. We create a text input field where users can type their search query, and if they enter something, we call the search function and loop through the results, showing each matching name with its ID. Let's run the app and see it in action. Once the app is running, just type the beginning of a name in the search box. Thanks to the like operator, you don't need to type the whole thing. Partial matches work perfectly. That's it, a simple and powerful way to add search functionality to your app. Don't forget to subscribe if you're enjoying the series, and I'll see you in the next video.